Hi, it's Amanda here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headline from the Middle East. Yakshagana adds flavor to Indian managed startup company's first anniversary celebration in Qatar. News headline from the cultural capital, Mysore. Mangalorean doctors and Mysore diocese jointly open a hospital. Here's what we have in our local news. Dr. Edward Nazareth James Mendonca bagged prestigious Rachna Awards 2007. Uphold duty towards humanity, Czech Republic Ambassador to India Heinek Monasek advises medicos. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from Konkan Shahs held in Dubai, a Kannada song from Geetotsava 2008, and a Hindi song from the musical evening held at Town Hall.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. Mangaloreans, wherever they go, do not forget their language, culture and traditions so easily. Wherever they go, they try to remember their festivals and art forms, especially Yakshagana, the popular art form of coastal Karnataka. Qatar's Indian-managed startup company, during its annual day celebration held recently, invited veteran Yakshagana artist Balakrishna Shetty Mundaje, who taught Yakshagana to the employees, who in turn gave a wonderful performance. Indian-managed startup company Qatar celebrated its first annual day at the premises of Indian Cultural Center Ashoka Hall at Doha recently. Pakistani brothers Jamshed and Javed sang hit Hindi film songs. A total interaction of audience was ensured by the couple Arun and Milan by singing a few hit songs from Tamil films. The music program was followed by Yakshagana Prasanga Daksha Yajna of 2-hour duration by the employees of Advanced Technical Services, which was the highlight of the event. Yakshagana artist Balakrishna Shetty Mundaje, who had come all the way from Karnataka, had taught the employees Yakshagana. 6 renowned Mangalorean doctors joined hands with Diocese of Mysore and opened a hospital at Bunny Mantap in Mysore. Dr. Victor Menezes, Dr. Jerry Pais, Dr. Gladys Raskina, Dr. Placid Lasrado, Dr. Cristilda Pais, Dr. Xavier A. de Souza, who are all residing in Mysore with the support of Diocese of Mysore. That includes Dr. Thomas A. Vezapalli, Bishop of Mysore, Father George Martis and Father Murray Raj constructed St. Joseph's Hospital in Mysore. Shri Shivaratri Deshikendra Swamiji of Suttur Mutt inaugurated the hospital on Wednesday, March 12th. Rachna, a forum of Catholic entrepreneurs, businessmen and professionals, has announced Rachna Awards for the year 2007. Rachna Professional Award will be conferred on President of Konkani Writers Forum, Orthopedic Surgeon of Father Muller Medical College, Dr. Edward Nazareth. Noted NRI entrepreneur and social activist based in Dubai, James Mendonca, has been selected for Rachna NRI Entrepreneur Award. Along with them, Mumbai-based Ivan Castellino and progressive agriculturist Francis de Souza have bagged Rachna Entrepreneur and Rachna Agriculturist of the Year awards respectively. Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde will present the awards at a glittering function to be held at Milagres Hall on Sunday, March 30th evening. Father Muller Hospital, a well-known household name, opened its doors to the people of South Canara in 1880. It started when Father Augustus Muller, a German Jesuit priest, dispensed homeopathic medicines under a banyan tree. It then went on to become a full-fledged hospital. It started the School of Nursing, which offered diploma in general nursing and midwifery, and later College of Nursing, which offered degree in Bachelor of Nursing Science. The medical college started in 1991 with postgraduate courses and then went on to include other courses under its banner. It was celebration time at the college premises on Thursday, March 13th, as Father Muller Institute of Health Sciences celebrated its graduation day. We have a report on this. Father Muller Medical College is a religious minority educational institution forming a part of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. It is famous for being one of the oldest hospitals in Mangalore. Father Muller Institute of Health Sciences, a part of Father Muller Medical College, celebrated its Institutions Day and Graduation Day at the college grounds on Thursday, March 13th.
मेरी आशा तुझ में है प्रभु, तुझ में मेरा जीवन, तुझ में मेरी शक्ति.
Ambassador of Czech Republic to India, Heinik Monisek, was the chief guest of the function. Distributing certificates to the graduates, Heinik observed that the fate of Asia depends on the developments that are taking place in India. India has a precious asset, that is, its younger generation.
The world is more and more becoming united, and more than 1/3 of all the people on this planet live in Asia today. So what will happen in Asia is not important only for Asians, but for all of us. And it's you, young people, who will have to make it happen. And it's you who already took the first, sometimes the second or the third step as postgraduates to achieve enough knowledge to be exactly these people who will make the change. We know that the pendulum of the world affairs is coming step by step in Asia, and the fate of Asia is very much depending on the future development of India. What is the biggest profit in India? Because the biggest thing in India is Indians, and the biggest Indians are the young Indian people.
About 471 students from various streams like General Nursing, Basic BScs, PCBScs, MScs Nursing, BHMS, MD Homeopathy, Physiotherapy, Radiography, Laboratory Technology, Hospital Administration and MBBS received their degrees. Sister Flora D'Souza, Sister Jacinta D'Souza, Dr. S.K. Tiwari and Dr. Sanjeev Rai officiated oath-taking ceremony. The chief guest of the program, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences Registrar Dr. Vasant Kumar S., said that Indians in general are regarded as people who do not give respect to time. One should keep in mind that time is precious and therefore all should respect time.
This position of pride comes with its great responsibilities which you cannot shirk, and the challenge in front of you today is to be a role model for future generations. I accept it will be difficult for you to visualize yourselves as a role models, but trust me, all of you actually are, and your presence here today in this solemn occasion is proof that you are achievers worth emulating. We entered the new millennium with greater emphasis on higher education, especially professional education. The years gone by have witnessed dramatic changes in educational system.
Dr. Aloysius Paul D'Souza, Bishop of Mangalore, presided over the function.
This institution has been preparing persons and send them into the society to serve the sick and suffering people. Persons with a sense of dedication and commitment who will go into the society to serve.
Father Patrick Rodriguez, Director of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, welcomed the gathering. Father Dennis Dessa, Administrator of Father Muller Medical College, was also present. It is time for a break now. On the other side of the break, we will bring you some of the melodious songs to rock you. So don't miss it. I will be back in just a few moments. Stay tuned to TV Daiji World.
Apurva for AptLab.
बहरीनाक आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मँगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.